Hi, it's Simon at Zone CCTV and Burgwell Arms, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can export footage from your Hikvision DVR or NVR straight to a USB stick.
So there are a few advantages of exporting directly from the recorder to a USB stick rather than doing it via the HitConnect app. It's much quicker because you're not having to rely on internet speed, and also you can export longer videos in its original format. When you do it via the HitConnect app, normally there is a time limit of around 5 minutes. So before we start, you need to plug a monitor into the recorder, and you can do this by using a HDMI or a VGA cable. Also, make sure your mouse is plugged into one of the USB ports. Then you'll need to play back the footage and find the incident that you're looking to back up. I'd make a note of the start time and the end time. Then insert a USB stick into the DVR. And normally there are two USB ports, one at the front and one at the back. So if one is taken already with your mouse, just use the other one. Then when you're on the settings of the DVR, I would go to playback and work your way around anti-clockwise. So select the camera that you want to view, and underneath that, double click on the date, and then move the blue time bar left and right to exactly where the incident takes place. So it's in the middle of the blue bar. Then below, press the scissor icon. This will allow you to clip the footage. When you press this icon, two brackets will appear either side of the incident, and you can move these brackets left and right to make sure you've got the incident right in between these two brackets, because this is the footage that you're going to export. Once those brackets are in place, press Export Clip. The logo looks like a little memory disk. Then select Video and Log, and the DVR or NVR will locate your USB stick. You can press either MP4 or AVI and then press OK. Whilst it's exporting, you'll see at the top right hand corner how much of the file has been exported. So once you've exported the footage, there are a few different players that will work on your computer to play the footage back. Hikvision have their own version called VS Player, but others would work like VLC Player. They're both free of charge, and I'll put the links in the description so you can download them.
I hope you have found this video informative. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be uploading a lot more of these videos.